Hello everyone, I am Anushka Pawar. I just want to dedicate a little poem to our doctors on this special day. To earn the title doctor takes many years to achieve. It takes more than just studying, is what I believe. To become a doctor is to fulfill a lifelong dream, it's true. The prestigious title of doctor is only granted to few. A doctor starts with many dreams to make the world a better place, to help and heal each person, no matter which color, breed, or race. From that place of healing is a reassuring, gentle smile, because patients know that you will always go that extra mile. You have the care and compassion that no textbook could define. You really care about people as you are so generous with your time. You are so very special in everything you do. I wish you only sweet success in life with my sincerest blessings for you. All know that during this difficult time of Corona, doctors have done a wonderful job. So this little poem was just to remind them that they are special and they are loved. Thank you.
Our dearest doctors, a very big thank you to each one of you for risking your lives to save the people from this pandemic. I wanted to send these blessings to all of you working the front line and keeping our friends and family safe and comfortable in your care. You all are truly a God's blessing.
To all that providers, nurses, medical staff, and doctors, thank you for being on the front line and keeping your health and safety aside, saving lives of so many people and trying your best to make situations stable on this Doctor's Day. We thank you from our grateful and gratitude.
A doctor is bestowed with eye to see and treat weakness in mankind. He is the one who gives us hope when we are in doom. I send warm wishes to all the doctors on this Doctor's Day. Thank you.
Hello everyone, this is Suparna. As you all know, 1st of July is our National Doctors' Day. The current pandemic that the world is undergoing is perhaps one of the most difficult times we ever faced in our lives. It is even more difficult for the doctors who are working tirelessly to ensure that all those that are infected are provided with proper medical facilities. Doctors are the one who always showed us a ray of hope during the tough COVID time. Their contributions and hard work deserve our gratitude each and every day.
A very happy National Doctors' Day to all the doctors. The celebration of this day is a noble attempt to emphasize the role played by the doctors in our everyday lives. Throughout this pandemic, we have witnessed the onerous work played by the doctors who have worked selflessly without thinking about their own lives and have been a true savior to the patients. Through this video, I would like to communicate the feelings of everyone to the community of doctors who not only help us in our everyday lives but have worked relentlessly towards achieving remarkable improvements in the field of medicine. Thank you.
Hello everyone, this is Shrestha Roy, and I would like to take this moment to thank all the doctors who have been working tirelessly and endlessly to help us eradicate the deadly virus. We are very thankful to you all, and we would have been nothing without the presence of you all today. Thank you.
जग का आशीष है तेरा जीवन तेरा ना रहा इस पथ पर चले ना रुके ना डरे विश्व तेरा ऋणी हो गया सूरज की तरह तू अखंडित रहा तेरा जीवन ही है प्रेरणा समर्पण को तेरे प्रणाम समर्पण को तेरे प्रणाम।
दूर हुई जब जब दिल की दुआ तो हमने दवा से काम लिया, वो नब्ज नहीं फिर थमने दी जिस नब्ज को हमने थाम लिया। बीमार है जो किस धर्म का है हमसे न कभी ये भेद हुआ, सरहद पे जो वर्दी खाकी थी अब उसका रंग सफेद हुआ। मजबूर हुई जब दिल की दुआ तो हमने दवा से काम लिया, वो नब्ज नहीं फिर थमने दी जिस नब्ज को हमने थाम लिया। बीमार है जो किस धर्म का है हमसे न कभी ये भेद हुआ, सरहद पे जो वर्दी खाकी थी अब उसका रंग सफेद हुआ। मजबूर हुई जब दिल की दुआ तो हमने दवा से काम लिया, वो नब्ज नहीं फिर थमने।
Myself Nonish Sharma and I am here to thanks to our Corona warriors. Thank you so much for all that you do. You are the real heroes of this country and we value every single effort to save every life. Your support and hard work in this difficult time, your humility, kindness and strength are really appreciated. Again, thank you to our doctors, our Corona warriors.
Namaste and hello everyone, myself Muskan Gupta and today I am making this video to sending my heartfelt gratitude to all the doctors. Thanks to all the healthcare workers on the front line who are risking their lives for us. Our message of the thanks to all the doctors during COVID-19. Thank you nurses, doctors and all who are risking their lives and who are helping in this pandemic. At the end, I just wanted to say that we are staying home for you and thank you for working for us. Thank you.
Hi, myself Sakshi Khatri and I am here to thank all the dedicated healthcare workers serving on the front lines of the COVID-19 pandemic. You all are superheroes for working so hard every day. Thank you so much for all that you do every single day for keeping us safe. Thank you so much.
Hello everyone, my name is Manav Gupta. Today on the occasion of National Doctors Day, I would like to thank all the doctors for their hard work and dedication in this pandemic situation. They are really working tirelessly through day and night to save the lives of the people. We are really blessed to have doctors like you. Thank you.
Room sending warm wishes to you on Doctors Day and once again happy Doctors Day. Thank you.
आज का दिन यानी 1 जुलाई हमने हमारे धरती पर व्हाइट कोट्स में बसे भगवान को डेडिकेट किया है। हर कंट्री ने अपने हिसाब से डॉक्टर्स डे की तारीख डिसाइड की है और हमारे इंडिया में 1 जुलाई डिसाइड हुई है। इसके पीछे एक बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग रीजन है। इंडिया ने डॉक्टर बिधान चंद्र रॉय की बर्थ एंड डेथ एनिवर्सरी को समर्पित 1 जुलाई के दिन डॉक्टर्स डे का ऐलान किया है। कौन है पता है कि इस कोरोना के कार्यकाल में हम अपनी तरफ से लड़ रहे हैं। डॉक्टर, मेडिकल स्टाफ सब अपनी पूरी कोशिश कर रहे हैं। सिर्फ होना चाहिए कि इस कोरोना के वातावरण में भी वे अपनी और अपने परिवार की चिंता किए बिना से इन कोरोना वायरस को दूर भगाने के लिए कोशिश करते हैं और उन सभी डॉक्टर्स के सम्मान में अपनी तरफ से कुछ ऐसा करते हैं कि उनके चेहरे पर एक मुस्कुराहट आए।
All are aware that how doctors and healthcare workers have served us for months together. and are still serving us during this pandemic time without even keeping their personal life and interest at priority. We should always respect these people who risk their lives to render their service to humanities. Here, wishing a happy Doctor's Day to all the health workers. Thank you to all the doctors who are working day and night for keeping us safe.
When we are in tears, we need shoulders. When we are in pain, we need medicines. But when we are in tragedy like coronavirus, we need doctors, as you are only hope for the country. On the occasion of Doctor's Day, I express my gratitude to all the doctors who continue to protect our country throughout the pandemic, keeping our problems and serving us with happiness. Thanks for always being there to bring us back in shape and make us feel better. Thank you, saviors. Happy Doctor's Day.
As we have been hit by COVID-19 pandemic, all were forced to be quarantined, but only the ones who were working were the doctors who stepped out of their houses to serve the country. As an NSS volunteer, I thank all the doctors who have saved thousands and thousands of lives. And as it is said, a doctor is next to God, and they have proved it. Thank you, doctors.
Hello everyone, I am Shant and today I would like to thank our doctors who work tirelessly for us during this pandemic.
Thank you for working your butts off during this pandemic. I appreciate that you are risking your health to care our community. I wish you rest and quiet from storm. Thanksgiving is the greatest form of gratitude. Though the times have been difficult, your dedication towards work didn't shake a bit. I highly appreciate your work. Heartfelt thank you, Corona Warriors. So at last, I would like to say one quote. Let us be grateful to people who make us happy. They are charming gardeners who make our souls blossom. By Marcel Proust.
Thank you, our heroes.
Note all superheroes wear caps. Some wear stethoscope too. A very good morning to you all. As we all know that 1st July is celebrated as National Doctors Day. So on this special occasion, I just want to thank all the doctors who are fighting battles of life and death with every human nowadays. Thank you.
हम सोए नहीं कई रातों से जाने वतन सौ चांद बुझे हमें नींद उसी दिन आएगी जब देखेंगे आबाद तुझे दुनिया घुमा है नहीं कहीं तेरे जैसा कोई नहीं मैं गाया जहां भी बस तेरी याद थी जो मेरे साथ थी मुझको तड़पाती रुलाती सबसे प्यारी तेरी सूरत प्यार है बस तेरा प्यार ही मां तुझे सलाम.
Hello, my name is Hadik Jain and I am making this video to thank all the healthcare workers serving on the front line of the COVID-19 pandemic. While country are struggling to control the coronavirus, these people are the ones to face the infected patients. Just like the military get developed during the war, these doctors, nurses and healthcare workers are on the front line. They are the soldier against COVID-19. And doctors are tirelessly working to control the pandemic. Thank you for making me feel safe always. Thank you so much, doctor. You are the best.
सुन मेरे खुदा मैं रहूं मैं चाहे ना मेरी माँ का तू रखना ख्याल मेरी माँ रहे सदा मेरी एक ही
Since the coronavirus outbreak, healthcare professionals have not only experienced the gratification of healing patients and saving their lives, also the selfless warriors are giving it their all in healthcare settings while cutting themselves off from their families and loved ones. The sacrifice that they are making for the safety and welfare of humanity is priceless and deserves lifelong gratitude on our end. Most importantly, we must recognize the value healthcare workers hold in our lives and the kind of treatment they get from us. Happy Doctors' Day. Thank you, doctors.
Hello, I'm Himanshu. I would like to thank all the doctors out there who put their all efforts to save our life. They save our life without thinking their own family. Most of the doctors sacrifices their life to save our life. They are the real heroes for us. I appreciate their work, and I'm feeling very proud because they all are part of our nation, and I salute to them. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.
I immensely thanks all the doctors who stand in the front line to save us.
It isn't enough to write about doctors at length to save humans' life. Only they have the strength to fight against disease without thinking about it. So much suffering is in itself a huge test. The disease may be contagious, but they are not afraid. They serve the patient round the clock during our COVID pandemic time. On earth, only these superheroes can be compared to God. Thank you, doctors.